Understanding current velocity, a guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to today's lesson. Today, we'll be diving into the phrase, current velocity. We often encounter this phrase in physics, but it's also used in everyday conversation to describe the speed and direction of an object or situation. If you're ready, let's unravel the meaning together. Current velocity is a term that represents two main ideas, speed and direction. When we say current, we're referring to something happening right now. Velocity, on the other hand, is a bit more specific than just speed. It tells us how fast something is moving and in what direction. So, when you hear current velocity, think of it as the speed and direction of something at this very moment. Before combining the words, let's break them down. 1. Current. This word signifies something happening now or something that's ongoing. For example, the current situation refers to the situation as it is right now. 2. Velocity. In physics, velocity is a precise term. It's not just about how fast something is moving, that's speed, but also where it's heading. For instance, 10 meters per second northward is a velocity because it tells you the speed and direction. To grasp the concept better, let's look at some examples. 1. In physics, when a teacher says, the current velocity of the car is 50 kilometers per hour east, they mean that right now, the car is moving east at a speed of 50 kilometers per hour. 2. In everyday life, we can use this phrase metaphorically. For example, if someone says, the current velocity of the project is fantastic, they mean that the project is moving forward really well at this moment. Understanding current velocity can help us in 1. Science. It's crucial for understanding movements in physics. 2. Everyday decisions. It helps in interpreting the speed and direction of various aspects of life, like projects or trends. And that's a wrap on current velocity. Remember, it's all about how fast something is moving and in which direction, right now. Whether you're discussing a car's movement or the progress of a project, current velocity helps you describe the situation precisely. I hope this video has been helpful and has added some speed and direction to your English learning journey.